common occupations. A male doctor is doctor. A female doctor is doctora. A male nurse is enfermero. A female nurse is enfermera. A male teacher is maestro. A female teacher is maestra. The word for waiter is mesero. The word for waitress is mesera. The word for male driver is conductor. The word for female driver is conductora. The word for male vendor is vendedor. The word for female vendor is vendedora. The word for male worker is trabajador. The word for female worker is trabajadora. The word for policeman is policía or el policía. The word for policewoman is policía or la policía. The word for fireman is bombero. The word for firewoman is bombera. The male tourist is el turista. The female tourist is la turista. The male student is el estudiante. The female student is la estudiante. Let's practice with a few simple phrases. Ella es Elena. Elena es mi hermana. Elena es doctora. She is Elena. Elena is my sister. Elena is a doctor. Ellos son de Canadá. Ellos son turistas. They are from Canada. They are tourists. Nosotros somos estudiantes de Panamá. We are students from Panama. ¿La prima de Mario es maestra? No, ella es policía. Mario's cousin is a teacher? No, she's a policewoman. Luis, ¿tú eres doctor? No, yo soy enfermero. Luis, are you a doctor? No, I am a nurse. ¿Tú eres vendedor? Sí, yo soy vendedor. Are you a vendor? Yes, I am a vendor. El papá de Esteban es bombero y su mamá es maestra. Esteban's dad is a fireman and his mom is a teacher. Yo soy William, soy americano y soy conductor. I am William, I am American and I am a driver. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on common occupations. Remember, you can re-watch this video as many times as you need. Make sure to complete the written materials, including the practice exercises and test. When you're ready to move on, I'll see you in the next lesson.